Diavlo Entertainment, Diavlo I want some more, I need some more, I want some more birds. I don't want a boa, bird is preferred. Last year, 09, it first occurred. Ever since then, I've been flipping, taping, flying up the birds. I want some more, I need some more, I want some more birds. I don't want a boa, bird is preferred. Last year, 09, it first occurred. Ever since then, I've been flipping, taping, flying up the birds. You want money, flip. You got money, bye. Get yourself some nice things, make it go. 3 chains in the watch, make it all go. I remember when I started, I had bricks in the bed, I had pills in the closet, in the room of my ex, in the bathroom was the kitchen where I worked on the chickens, and the raw I sealed up about 80 damn chickens in prison. Never will I go around there. Einstein, a smart nigga, never go there. Even though DA and BP want me to go there, but I never touch shit, so I never go there. You scared every time Diavlo pass by. Could be your lucky night or your last night. Spot on me tonight and a nigga gonna die, so don't reply with a lie tonight. Yeah. I want some more, I need some more, I want some more birds. I don't want a boa, bird is preferred. Last year, 09, it first occurred. Ever since then, I've been flipping, taping, flying up the birds. I want some more, I need some more, I want some more birds. I don't want a boa, bird is preferred. Last year, 09, it first occurred. Ever since then, I've been flipping, taping, flying up the birds. I be flipping and taping the birds in my damn kitchen. Cents to dollars to hundreds and to millions. Making this money by flipping these chickens. The chickens are zips, it's 36 full zips. That's 4 youngsters with motherfuckers, that's a full brick. And you talkity talk, but we know you ain't shit. Cause you walkity walk every time you round shit. So just stop and stop, but I'm talking little